Smart Kitchen Assistant. Use the smartphone and voice control to change the settings on the air fryer toaster oven while you go about your day. Convection function. Reduce your cooking time by using the smart air fryer toaster oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking, especially if you like crispy results. This function is perfect for a rotisserie chicken. Less oil. Air fry your food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, making for a simpler cooking experience. 12 functions. Choose the preset that's best for you without needing to set a temperature. Pick from toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or select warm to keep your food ready to serve. 100 original recipes. Cook using recipes and videos straight from the COSORI kitchen, updated monthly in the free VSync app. Find your favorite air fryer oven recipe and get perfect results every time. Large capacity. Cook for 5 to 7 people with the 32-quart, 30-liter air fryer toaster oven, which can fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. Wi-Fi charging. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for best results. Only use the oven with 120V, 60 Hz outlets, such as in the US and Canada. Download the VSync app for more information. Top reviews from the United States. Cooks great food. Living in a big family, I was looking for the biggest, most efficient air fryer, and this is it. The food tastes delicious and many things cook a fraction of the time compared to our oven. It's easy to clean and use. Highly recommended.